everyone. So this is the short demo of MyPitch interview service. I will explain how it works inside. So first of all, after you created the account on the platform, you are able to add any your teammate in the section team. Just type in an email of that person. For example, I will type my send invite, and that person will receive an email with invitation. So basically that's gonna be work like this. You can see that. Okay, so here is the invitation. Person got that email. Accept. You need to provide your password and create account. That's it. Basically, simple as that. So after that, the most important is job section. So to create it, what you need to do, just hit create. You have to choose interview language. We have different options. Let's choose English for that moment. After you have chosen your interview language, the system asking you to provide questions that AI should ask the person in the future. There are some tooltips here. I will type mine. Let's say this one. So the basically list should be done like this: 1, 2, 3, and AI will go from top to bottom questions. Okay, the next section is job description. Basically, what you can do, you can go to your any sources where your job description is published already. Copy that, paste here is the text. For example, here I just copy at some random position. Hit generate. What AI will do, it will optimize that job description and create a structure that is needed for our service. It takes about 20 seconds in general. Let's wait. Okay, so now you got your generated description. Edit. You can see it here. So you can take a look at here. Of course, you can edit, like make it bold, for example. You can remove some text, etc. So basically you can make it nice looking. And here is the questions. So this is the job title. Adjust the way you want to be displayed to the people. Interview language, questions, save job. You can preview that job. So this is how it looks. Then you can invite people to conduct your interview. So basically how to get there, right? This is the jobs, open, candidate, invite candidate, for example, Sergey, that's me, my email, and here is the invite link sent, right? Gmail. This is the email me as a candidate received. What I'm doing, I'm copying that, and you can see report is pending, status invited. I copied the link. Okay, here is the interview role: senior product manager, candidate Sergey. Okay, I agree. I can read the job description, continue, enable mic and video, start interview.
Hi, Sergey. Thanks so much for joining us today. How are you doing so far?
I'm doing great. Hello.
That's wonderful to hear. I'll just be taking some notes. So to start, are you okay with going to the office 5 days a week?
Yes, I'm okay to go to the office 5 days a week.
Got it. And what are your salary expectations?
Okay, my salary expectations is $10,000 per month net.
I see. That's helpful to know. And just to understand your leadership style, what would you do if you needed to fire a person from your team?
Oh, that's the sad story. So of course, I don't know. I would ask another person to do it instead of me, and because I don't know, I want to avoid that situation, and that's it.
That's an interesting perspective. How would you approach that situation more directly as a senior product manager?
More directly, I would invite that person to the call and fire him. Like, okay, we do not have money, that's it.
I see. Thank you for sharing. Do you have any questions for us?
Yes, can you tell a little bit more about the company and the role itself? Why should I?
Certainly. Develux is an IT consulting and software development company, and this role is focused on our expanding HRM system project, which is currently in the pre-release stage. We're looking for someone to define the next steps, shape the product, and scale it in the SaaS market, with a particular focus on AI-driven transformation and automation within the HR tech domain. It's a great opportunity to drive change. Does that give you a clearer picture?
Yes, thank you.
You're very welcome. It was great speaking with you, and we'll be in touch soon. Have a great day.
Bye. Okay, so interview is finished. AI asked it. Basically, the first one was the greeting to the candidate. Then AI asked it 3 questions that we listed, and the fourth question we always ask: does the candidate have any questions to us? So we can close that. Let's refresh. Okay, and you can see that report is generated. We can hit view report, and this is the report summary. Of course, that's like a suggestion by AI. So AI just recommended highlight. So the question was like, are you okay to go? The answer was yes, I'm okay to go. So decision based on the AI, go, and here is the notes, the salary expectation here, and decision as well. And the last one, that was the answer from the candidate, and decision not go. And here is the explanation why AI decided to do this. You can view the whole conversation with the candidate. You can copy and paste, for example, to your GPT or any other LLM. And this is so far what you have. On dashboard, you can see that I have 2 open roles, invite sent, reports ready 7, go decision no. The last one was the Sergey with not go, and this is the simple pipeline. So thank you.